Hello everyone, and welcome to Cole High School's New Student Academy. This session is all about Google Classroom. You guys are going to go through a number of videos and slides that are meant to acquaint you with the Google Classroom environment. You all are going to be using Google Classroom throughout this eSchool for your online classroom. It's going to host your assignments, you'll be able to turn in work, you will also be able to get announcements from your teachers. So this first video is all about how to get into your Google Classroom. Okay, so the first step to this is getting to the Google Classroom website. Now there are a couple ways to do this, and I'll show you both. Right? The first way to do this is if you are already logged in to your Google Drive using your school email. Again, if you are already logged into your Google Drive using your school email, when you open Chrome or go to Google, you should receive this little icon over here. This should be the first letter of your name, and this should be your apps, okay? So if you click on this button, you'll see a bunch of apps. You've got your calendar, your Google Drive, documents, sheets, slides, and you've got your classroom. If you click on the classroom, this is going to take you to the Google Classroom website where you can navigate through the classes that you are taking. In my case here, I am teaching these classes, so that's why they show up here. Now, the other way to do this is if you just type into the search bar Google Classroom, it'll bring you to this page. You click on this first one, Google Classroom, and it's going to bring you to the same page. All right. Now, I have not logged in to this sample Google Classroom yet, so it's going to be a great way to see it from the ground up. So, to add a class that you need to take, okay, your teachers should have all sent you a Google Classroom join code. All right, that join code is usually a 6 to 7 digit code that it comprises of numbers and letters. All right, so I've gone ahead and copied mine. All right, you go over here to the right side of your screen and you're going to click on the plus icon. It says create or join a class. You're going to click on the plus, and you are not going to create a class, you're going to join a class because you're joining a class that has already been created. Once you hit join class, you're going to be opened up to this window. All right, it's going to tell you who you are currently signed in as. I am currently signed in as Cole Hensley, and this is my school email. After that, you go to the class code. Now, I've already copied my class code, but you guys will get your class code, and you paste it into here. All right, be careful if your letters are capitalized. Make sure you capitalize them in here. Always a safe thing to highlight and copy it from whoever sent it to you and just paste it here just so you don't mess up the code. All right. Once you've posted your code in this class code, you hit join and it will be joining you to that class. All right. As you can see here, this is what it's going to look like when you enter the classroom. All right. This is going to say the title of your class. In this case, it's the New Student Academy. All right. You'll have a couple icons up here, but we're going to go into that in more detail in the next video. Hope this was helpful, and see you guys soon.